Hey everyone, this video is very important. In this video, I will show you how you need to start your trade on daily basis and what you need to check it and how this A plus setup will work for you. First of all, that's your Ninja panel here. You need to select your position. If there is any position open, you need to remove it. Second thing, you need to click on your strategy here. If there is anything pending, you need to remove it. Like it's already there, Dinner Trade with Raja, and you see it's enabled there. You need to disable it, right click and click on remove. So now you see there is nothing here. So in strategy, there is nothing. What you need to do it, first of all, you have this open chart. You see that's on the back side, there is open chart and there is no any indicator, no any level. What you need to do it at 9:30, you need to mark your London high, London low, Air Asia high, Asia low. How you do need to do it? Just right click, click on indicator, then click on CDX, indicator, CDX. In here, see configuration, there is nothing here. You need to click on add. Once add there, just you need to, no need to do anything. That's our setting of Asia session, 2 a.m. to 5:30. And that's our London session and Asia mentioned 2 to 5:30 p.m. are London and Asia 8 to 12. What you need to do is just click on apply. Okay. Once you apply, you can see here it's white mark here. So London high rise mentioned, low mentioned, Asia high, Asia low mentioned. You need to click on edit. After that, horizontal, click on mark here, Asia London high. Then you need to F6, London low. Then now for Asia, horizontal, high, and then here right click and lower low. So our prediction is whenever the market sweep any liquidity, the London high or London low or Asia, it will go to one liquidity to second liquidity, like high to low. Now it's here. So what you need to do it now, you need to activate your port here, right click, strategy. Here you see nothing there. In configuration, there is nothing there. You need to right click, configure trade with Raja. Here just you need to click on add. After add, you can see here is an two contract. Just what you need to do is just you need to select your account in setup section. After that, here you need to select your account. Whatever you mention account here, make sure here also your account should be there. Apply. Okay. So see now you can see that's all my board button is mentioned. Make sure what's under strategies account there, and here account should be there. Otherwise, you will ask me question. Now we took trade in our account, but we cannot see here TPSL and how many contract. And here PNL, you will see how many contracts are there. Now I will trade as per our setup here. Let me reduce that pressure level. Here you see market. What's our A plus setup? We need to match three things: SMA line, band, and our background. Okay. Before that, you can also check your strategy. How you can see your strategy. That's ATR is one or two. Once you will click here, just scroll down. Here ATR multiplier. You can see you need to select two only here. Okay. Okay, so if there is SMA band, see that's the SMA line, this frozy color SMA line, and SMA line under that this green cloud and green tunnel, then you need to look only long opportunities. Whenever you see this SMA line at the top of this SMA line, top of that band and cloud, red cloud, you need to see only that time sell opportunities. So I will show you in next. We will take a trade and I will show you how this is set up. Now see the market already sweep that area. My prediction it will go to that London low and also it will cross that level. So in the same scenario, if you want to add your VWAP indicator, that is very important. All levels are very respectable. All levels are respect. Market will give respect that level. You can use that one. How you need to do it? Just right click, and click on indicator. After that, trade with Raja, and you need to select this TWR VWAP. Add it. After that, just need to click apply. Okay. Now you see that one. So whenever there is market, how this VWAP level you need to read it. For some market at 12 o'clock reset, orange line is open, and whenever there is orange line, and this dotted line also you can see that dotted line, red and green, that dotted line you can see here. So that dotted line and orange line work as a magnet. Wherever the market will come on that level. See market open here 60 point down, then try to that level, try to break, but it could not, then retest it and that's break this level. Then again it's range here, and with the pressure it's come down, it's break that and that level, orange, and also VWAP. So now I'm looking market once it's 9:30. I can show you it's back testing here. Once you will see the market was open, we will take our A plus setup. What is A plus setup? Market is coming down. Once it's reverse and pull back and touch that band, we will take entry. So what I need to do it or turn on semi-auto, and I'm waiting. Once market will go back and reverse, I will turn on my short. So let me play it here. So that's yellow candle is for the yellow candle is for. So I turn on my short. Yellow candle is for the news. So in this one, I will show you where I need to add contact and where I need to remove contact. See, bot take entry. So it's on my favor. I add contract here. So you see that one. So if you want to, just let me pause it. If you want to remove that, that's number. How you can remove it? Just right click, data series. In that data series, scroll down, see plot execution. Just click and do not plot. Click apply. Okay. So see that's level. Our next level is this one. So market will come on that level. If you want to, how you need to remove your stop loss and how you need to drag your TP, you can just click on that line. Okay. You can drag like wherever you want to put it. You can put it like this, and same also this one, and that's our TP. If you want to drag your TP any level, like you want to drag it further than the low. This line we already plotted here, so you can put it here. And if you want to put your also this TP, you can also drag your TP according to your next level. So what I will do it, I will put that level to this white line because it was the previous one. So I'll play it now. Once it's hit, I will be out. If you want to trail your auto trail, you can turn on this trail. Stop loss will move each one candle. Like behind one candle, it will move accordingly that one. So let me speed up. See, so you know that level, you can close your runner according to that one. So now it's again reverse back. If I want to still come back, I will again add contact here. Let's take two candle pullback. One is confirmed. I will add contact. See, I add contact here. So I can drag my stop loss according to that one. It's now it's touch with this band. So once it's again, you can add your contact as well. One is that's my A plus setup. Here you can take entry on a mini. See this one. Now you add your contact here. Once you confirm there is it's reverse from red A plus setup, you can add your contact. So this way, that's our A plus setup. In this way, you can take your trade according to your on daily basis A plus setup. So if next video I will same is vice versa for the long. In long you can take you can check that SMA line, like see this is the SMA line outside of tunnel, and once there is thick band, once market go pull back outside of that one or it's touch with that one, you can take that trade. So I close my
Order
trade here.
canceled.
and you see it's crossed that liquidity level. So in this way, you can take your trade according to your account size. And let's see this one. That's the for the a long trend. This is the SMA line. Under that, behind that thick band and also tunnel. Once market go pump and it will touch that band and reverse. You can take your long semi long on like this in this way. So whenever there is pullback, you can again turn on. Whenever it's touch, and you can take also your long with runner. So in this way, there that's how this A plus setup will work for that one. Hopefully you understand. If you have any question regarding anything, you can ask me anytime. Thank you.